That's
Somebody say right now!
Xavier, why did you just cook that potato?
Well, this is my supper. I'm going to make soup out of him.
Help! Xavier, why could you do such a thing to a cute potato?
Do you want soup in your soup?
I love soup in my soup.
No, don't put soup in your soup. I put my soup in your soup. Oh no. You know what? I think we should put in the can, okay? Now. You know what? I think we should put in a whole quart of milk with the carton. And next, a gallon of orange juice. Yeah.
OMG, that's so good on my MySpace.
Oh well, at least I can have soup in my head.
Bye.
Why did he spit out my potatoes? Now my only supper, and now my only food.